How to pay Netflix using Gcash. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and in this episode I'm going to show you the ways to pay Netflix using Gcash. To pay Netflix using Gcash, you could follow the steps. Open up a browser, so I'm using a web version. You could also use an application. Either way, the procedure will remain the same. Now type in netflix.com and this will take you to their official page. Over here, click on Get Started at the bottom page. Now enter in the email address and click on Get Started. Next thing you want to do is click on the next button. After that, you want to create a password. Now go ahead and create your password. And make sure that click on Next button. Here you have to go ahead and make sure to choose your plan. So click the next button. Now get the premium plan that is suitable for you. I'm going to go with this one and click the next button. As you've done it so here, you have to go ahead and provide your payment method or how you're going to, or the payment mode. So go ahead and click on the options at the bottom and you could find this option at the bottom. So here you could go ahead and either select Visa, MasterCard, Amex, or you could also get UPI, all that. So over here you have to go ahead and enter in the card number, expiry date, CVV number, and name of the card. Likewise, if you're unable to use the Gcash, then you could go ahead and make changes with your location, and then you might be able to find the option. Now do this. So that is the basic way to pay Netflix using Gcash. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.